Welcome to Nandakshi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a wholemeal rolls at home. Let's get started. Bread flour, whole wheat flour, salt, mix a little, sugar, lukewarm water, dry yeast, stir till well dissolved. Pour the liquid ingredients gently while stirring. Mix well and let it rest for 30 minutes. Fold in 4 sides. Lift and slap down. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Repeat the last action again. Fold and lift and slap. Let it rest for 2 hours. Spread out the dough and fold it. Divide into 7 pieces. Make dough balls. Leave it aside for 20 minutes. Roll each piece like I did. Soak with a brush and dip in sesame seeds. Leave it aside for 15 minutes. Make a surface scratch on the dough. Bake for 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.